Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to let you guys know that my speaker battery ran out. So nevertheless, I'll link down the Amazon lash lift kit that I will be using for my brow lamination, and I apologize in advance. So here I'm zooming in so that you can take a good look on how thin and sparse my eyebrows are, especially during the inner eyebrows. Like, I have very sparse and thin hairs, so I want to achieve this feathery look to kind of create more of a full eyebrow for me.
A few moments later.
Are done. The next step is removing the product. So then this is when we do the fixation aspect of it. The instructions say apply the fixation solution and then cover 8 to 12 minutes. So that's what we will be doing. So the fixation one looks like this. I am kind of nervous. But I think I'm fine. I didn't add too much product. I think I added like the right amount of product, I'd say. And then okay, put on the strap. I don't know. Oh, can I open my eyes for 8 minutes? Okay, so the time is up. Instructions tell us to clean the perm and fixation solution off your eyelashes with the wide brush. Like, glue was still there, like glue residue. I'm just gonna do it with my hand. This is kind of how it looks like, but I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I get them to my liking, and then I'll be back. They're like so manageable. I can't even explain. Like, wherever you want to place them, like, they'll just stay there. They're that flat. I can't believe it. Like, feathery eyebrows, and they're so pretty. Wow. Just the difference. I am really excited. I never thought I would have like full looking eyebrows. Wow, this is crazy. And then supposedly this could last from 6 to 8 weeks. So we'll see how that goes, but I really am liking this. It's so pretty. Like, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.